Hello guys, welcome back. Today is day 25 of our Learning English Challenge journey. Speaking in front of the camera, listening today consistently. We keep doing that 24 day and today is day 25. So like usual, we're going to practice our English right here. Speak the language. I prepared a bunch of questions. We're gonna answer those questions, explore, and today the questions about internet and technology, how we can get benefit our phone is internet we using this technology everywhere, so and that's how we learn english in online. So if you learn english you must speak the language, and right now what we're doing is to speak the language. If you can't speak, watch the people who speak in the language and copy them, mimic them the way they speaking, and yeah, try your best. So let's get started. We don't want to waste out more time, just need to get the job done. Yeah. So the first question right here is do you like using social media? That is about this question about internet. Do you like using social media? Of course I do like using social media, and you must like using social media, because right now you watching me on social media, your phone, YouTube. So I like using social media. Sometimes I watch entertainment video, like I'm human being, just watch some movie entertainment video. But also I learn in YouTube or social media something skills, or if an English language I learn in online. I never go to the school. No, I have no teacher to teach me English. So yeah, I like using social media, and that is why I want to learn a new language. So uh I've been learning in English 6 months, and that 6 months just using social media, YouTube, Hello Talk, kind of, and make friends, talk to them. Watch YouTube to learn new words, new sentences, and then I practice my English there. Hello Talk or other platforms, you can practice your English. So yeah, of course, I like using social media. What about you? So let's move another question. This question is, what apps do you use most often? What apps do you use most often? For me, I really love some apps in my phone. On my phone, like the apps I use the most would be the first, maybe 60% I use is YouTube. The second one would be Hello Talk, and the both obviously about learning English. I mean learning something you can learn. In Hello Talk is a platform I practice my English every day, every single day. If I'm not doing that, it means I didn't learn any language. So Hello Talk is my favorite, and it's my favorite one. So YouTube I learn IELTS questions, phrases questions, new words, watch teachers, speaking English and teaching the language, and then I know the words right. I move to Hello Talk and practice there. So a lot of people they struggling, they may learn new words, new sentences, but they never practice. They never go to platforms they can practice their English. So for me, I practice my English Hello Talk. Yeah, and the most apps I use is Hello Talk and YouTube. Other I don't use TikTok, I don't use Facebook, I don't use other Instagram. Just bullshit. I don't care about apps. So let's move another app like question. So, do you think technology makes life easier? Of course it does, but not so much. Technology make life easier sometimes, and sometimes life makes so hard. Real. If you become addicted watching or just chasing technology, watching other people what they enjoying, or just not learning what some. If you watching YouTube, watch what you doing. If you're learning editing, watch people who make it editing. If you watch English, just watch people who speak in English. That is, you get the benefit, or yeah, that you win. But if you're saying that you learn English and you watching something else, watch something else, but not so much also. watch the English people speak the language, people learning and like that. So yeah, technology make life easier and easier both. So let's move the first last question. The last question right here is, how do you feel when your phone battery is low? How do you feel when your phone's battery is low? Actually, in this world in 2025, I never see my phone its battery is low because I got the charger right here. So maybe my phone before battery is low, I bought the charger. So I think there is no worry about if my phone battery is low or not because I always have my charger. Before people they looking for a charger, they may their phone die. But right now 2025, I think nobody's phone die. Everybody he put his back at the charger. So for me, maybe I feel kind of I don't know, bro. I really never feel anything. So I got my charger right there, and I put when my phone maybe 50%. So thank you very much, guys. Today's video, that's all, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us to learn English together, teach you new words, teach you new sentences. If you don't know these sentences, write down every word in these sentences we use today and learn by one, learn the sentences, focus your English, building your confidence. And thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Please support me and watch our video. Bye.